Hello, in front of me I've got Garmin Dash Cam 57. In this video I'll show you how to attach it to front windshield in your car. Of course, this tutorial will be only theoretical because I'm in the studio right now, but the attachment process is very simple. As you can see right here, we've got the magnet. In the original box, we've got the second magnet, thanks to which we can attach those two magnets. In order to attach it to front windshield, firstly take out this plastic and attach it to front windshield. Then do the same thing with the other plastic, but now you have to connect them to each other. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.